What's up, dudes, and welcome back for another Minecraft video of Little Amy Gaming. Today my skin is changed and I'm C mode because I'm a psycho girl for the day. Click okay. Find that on CPL. So just wait a minute. So sorry about that noise because that's my little brother. Find in MCPEDL. Shut up. So please try my other maps. Find in MCPE Master where I downloaded this map. On YouTube, subscribe DJ Kenley Track. Do it now before you die. Welcome, user. Okay. Now let's just. It says click button. Just click to start map. Okay. Oh, it says hello, user. DJ Kenley Track to bye. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. Okay. So here we are for our thumbnail might now show up, so be creative and make one. Okay, here's what it's a sample dog box and candies in any house. It says thanks for downloading. This one is cat jungle gym, use of stairs. So you can store one here and one up here. Can channel get 200 plus subscribe before 2018. And this one is a scratch poles, use of wood. Did you know cats always land on their feet? So these are just scratching posts. Did you like the map? Subscribe for more. Dog or cat igloo. Use of stairs again. So cute, like, right? The bird bridge. Let's wait for parrots to come. Oh, this should be the parrot named KFC, which laid an egg. I'll be back in a while. I'm back, and I guess I can't find any spawn eggs of parrots. That's why I'm sorry. Okay, this one is a dog house. Look at the roof now. There's a bone here. Says thanks for downloading. Ooh, kinda cool. Amazing, amazing. And this one is the Jungle Gym version 2. Only have a different color for the version 2. Okay, so one card again here and one account. I got here. Okay. So rabbit cage. Why aren't rabbits tameable? Did you like the text? Oh, sorry about that chat, you guys. That's my classmate. Horse stable can also be used for llamas. His name is Jacob. And here's a pig ranch, good for farms. Bruce and Bowser, they're brothers, twins. And this one is a chicken coop, use of wood, tiny details. Cool, amazing, amazing. For a barn eventually. And this one is a bird cage, use of trapdoors. Good one. Jungle Gym version 2, modern version. So one cat and 2 cats here. Okay, guys, sorry about that noise because that's my little brother's tab. He loves it to play Minecraft. Okay, rabbit cage modern equals love. So they have a water here and some rabbits. Okay, shut up. Doghouse modern equals life. They're tame.
Andiyan
Hanging
kita,
cage,
friend.
use of
Kita
trapdoors.
ka na normal.
I'm here at the normal. I'm not on the friends. You're
Saan ako magpupunta?
Okay, just quiet, okay? Look for the friends. Cat house, modern, I don't know. Okay, 3 cats, black and white.
Saan ako magpupunta?
Friends.
Oh!
And horse stable, more cozier.
This is not normal. This is hard.
Shut up. So, more cozier for horse. I mean,
What's
quiet. Excuse me, horsey. Okay, so my little birdie just joined and I want him to click that.
Oh.
Ah, I have blindness.
Oh, look at some torches. Oh.
Okay, now, where are we? Okay, for the white house. White. Okay, this is for stable. And looks pretty nice as well. What is this? Oh, it's an iron armor. Okay. Okay, so I just put him in survival. Okay, don't break anything. Okay, here's a dog or cat couch used for snow and carpet. Oh, this one is a small house. It works as well.
No.
Quiet. Now this one is another of a chicken coop. Bird cage used of glass, which aren't birds inside, which are chickens. And any stable works for any animal. This is eventually a llama with a light blue carpet. No flying, and no killing. Okay, we're up to the next one. Is for the dog house version 3. Shut up, you shut up.
More signs.
Quiet. There's nothing inside eventually, so we have a doggy at the top, downstairs, and the top. Okay, and also there's another doggy tubes, works in pet shops. There's one there and one in there.
But
No killing. Llama house, don't go inside. Oh, why can't we go inside? Oh, this one has a chest. Bruno. Okay, so eventually... No entering! Oh, that's why we can't enter. Mabilis. Okay, let's go back in one. Back, I just fixed the door and
chicken.
quiet. Quiet. Cat holes for use of stairs, meow. And there's a kitty, 1, 2, and 3 cat holes. That's the llama where we got trapped. Yes, villagers are they animals? No. Oh, they. Okay. See that? Don't kill it or I'll kill you.
Oh, we got down.
No, you're not allowed to take any of those. So just turn our cheeks. Okay, now here's another one for I ran out of ideas, lol. Animal cages, use of trapdoors. So here's a chicken. And some stuff. And we also have a cake. So any more ideas? Subscribe DJ Candy Track. gmail.com. So just a moment, you guys. I'll be back I'm back, you guys. So thanks for watching my new video. Hopefully you leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And this is my second video. Hopefully you watch my first video. And it's gonna be boring though. And this one, I promise I've done everything that I can do. Please subscribe my channel before 2018. And hopefully you'll like my video. Sorry about my baby brother. He's always naughty. Naughty, noisy, and blah blah blah. Leave in the comments below what I should do again. So hopefully you have fun in my videos, and bye bye. Bye. Bye bye now. Bye bye. That was freaky. Bye guys.